So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change location on Fiverr. So the first thing you want to do is go to fiverr.com. You can see Fiverr, you can see a search bar, upgrade to pro, and many more options. Once you log into Fiverr, you will see here on your profile a certain location. So on here, in order to change that location, you will need to access their help and contact them directly. So you can see here the help and support. And on here, you will need to search by category. You can see your Fiverr account. So you can see account and profile settings, how to create, change email or username, setting up your freelancer profile, and so on. So on here, you can see account and profile settings, and it says about your account location. So you can contact their customer support. Your location is set when you register. The same applies to phone verification process. If the location in your account appears to be incorrect, please contact customer support. So as I said previously, go to their help and support and contacting them is scrolling down to right here. So you can see community hub and you can contact them by clicking on here, and you can even find them on Facebook, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. So you can contact them through here and tell them that your location should be changed and basically instruct them what to do next. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Fiverr or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.